Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to show you how to monitor a Google Drive spreadsheet with the Google Sheet plugin from our model library. We will first configure it since we need to obtain access to the API of our Google Drive and Google Sheets account. The first thing we're going to do is access our Google Cloud Console. Once there, choose a project or create a new one. Once in your project, access the API and Services Library section. Search for the Google Drive API section, access it, and click Enable. Once activated, click Manage, and afterwards go to the Credentials section, then to the Create Credentials section and choose Service Account. Select the service name you want and click Create and Continue. And then Done. Once your service is created, copy the email of your service account at the bottom and click on it. Access the Keys section, click Add Key, Create New Key dropdown, and select the key in JSON format and click Create. Download a file in JSON format with the necessary credentials to integrate your plugin with your Pandora FMS server. Now access the API and Services Library section again, and now activate the Google Sheets API by clicking Enable. Once all of this is done, access the spreadsheet of your Google Drive account that you wish to monitor with your plugin. At the top right, click Share, add the email that you copied previously, and click Done. Now that you have finished your previous configuration, access your Pandora FMS Models library. You may access it from our website at pandorafms.com/library or also from the console of your Pandora FMS server in the Model Library section. Now in its browser, look for Google Sheets and access the plugin that comes out. Here you will have the documentation of the plugin both in Spanish and English, the binary file with the plugin, and the link to GitHub of the open plugin. Download the binary plugin and access your Pandora FMS console. In your Pandora FMS console, access the section in Management, Servers, Plugins. At the top right, click on Attachments. In this console section, upload the Google Sheets plugin that you just downloaded. Click on the Upload File Select File button at the top right and select the plugin. In our case, since it is a zip format, we have to select the Decompress button so that it is automatically decompressed, and then we click Go. Now you will have the plugin inside the server, since in our case there is the console and Pandora FMS server on the same machine. As we are in a demo environment and to speed up the video, we're also going to upload the credentials that we downloaded from Google Drive in JSON format here. We recommend that in your production environment you save your credentials in a safe path of your Pandora FMS directory where you have control over the permissions and accesses of the directory. Now let's proceed to add the plugin to your Pandora FMS console. Click on the plugin you uploaded and the plugin register will open. Add the name of your plugin and go down to the Commands section. Here configure the execution of your plugin. In the Plugin Commands section, you will have the path of your plugin. In Plugin Parameters, enter the plugin parameters using macros. These are the parameters you have in the plugin documentation. Use the parameters creds_JSON, name, sheet, and cell, and assign them to a macro. It is important for the macro of the name and sheet fields to be in quotation marks, since these parameters can include spaces. Once you have configured everything, click Create at the bottom right to register your plugin in the console of your Pandora FMS server. Now create a module with your plugin. First, access the Resources Manage Agents section. Then access the module's configuration in your agent, click Create Module, select Create a new plugin server module, and click Create. Here, enter the name of your module, the group you want the module to belong to, and the module type. Below, in the Plugins section, select the drop-down and choose the plugin that you just registered. It will request the settings you previously created. Fill the information with all the required data. Fill in the path where you saved your Google Drive credentials in, enter the name of your document, the sheet you want to monitor, and the cell from which you retrieve the data. Once you fill in all the settings, click Create and your module will be created. Now return to the agent view, wait for the plugin to run and check whether you're already monitoring your spreadsheet correctly. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.